Alright there, have a look. We're in Easky Beach and this is the first attempt at magnet fishing here in Ireland. I threw my line in at Strand Hill, but that was a waste of time. It's just sand, you know, and people aren't even fishing there. But here there's a jetty or some kind of mooring for a boat or something. And it gives me a pretty good opportunity to throw out the line. Also, I have a good chance to tie the rope to this pole over here, so I won't lose the rope.
Oh, we should have gone down here then.
Yep, it says you shouldn't, but of course we will.
It says you can't, or what?
No, it's blocked off, but I think maybe cars can't go that way. But we will, because that's what we do.
Oh yeah, cars can't go, that's right.
Moist. I didn't bring any waterproof clothing except my shoes. I guess that's a bonus. I got waterproof shoes today. It's not too treacherous. You see a few waves. Obviously seaweed gets washed up here from time to time. I don't know what to expect, but I think maybe some fishing hooks or some fishing related paraphernalia.
What if it's deeper than the rope?
If it's more than 20 meters, I guess we'll just walk along the edge and see what we can do.
I don't think that is very safe.
What? Not the green bit. Over here.
But you have to tie it to something.
Yeah, I'll tie it to the pole.
So you don't fall in.
We'll see how we go.
Huh.
If I fall in, it'll make for a good video. This looks pretty decent. Just want to inspect. Can't see shit. I do see some seaweed floating around. Maybe it's not too deep. I guess we'll find out in a second.
You are not going down
I'm
there.
not going down there. Don't worry. But I'll get out my magnet.
Give me that.
I have to do this whole thing. Can't have any knots in it because then it's going to cause complications. I'll let you put this over here.
Thank you.
So it doesn't end up in the drink. Do my double clove half hitch. Famous knot 3 times and then back. Let's see what happens. Alright, didn't expect that. It moves. Alright.
How much does it move?
Well, it moves enough that it's fixed, but it moves backwards, so let's see what happens. Alright. How deep is it? Oh, it's not that deep. 20 meters isn't a problem. Alright, let's see. I'm going to just sort of gently give it a wiggle. Maybe get something. Yeah, I don't think it's that deep. Maybe it's like 2 meters. rocky.
If it gets stuck, you don't go diving.
I know. Alright. Nothing. I'll try a few spots. Looks like sea life down there. There's rocks on the bottom, but the reason it was so dangerous last time was because all the rocks were introduced and they're all like pointy. These rocks will be pretty rounded. I'm going to try, I didn't find anything. I'm going to try just sort of bringing it around the edge, because that seems logical that a fisherman would drop a knife or something like that.
Be careful where you step.
Absolutely.
Please. Get it please from the bottom with your hands.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to try just sort of dropping it on the edge and walking around. I'll walk it around a little. Okay. I'll just sort of bounce it as I go. You know, it seems the logical place for people to drop things. Not yet. Seems a little deeper right at the edge. It's not deep at all there.
Don't go that
Not
far.
going down the stairs.
Please bring it up. You're worse than a kid.
Nothing. Nothing. Alright, we'll move down here and try it. Whoops, wow. Let that be a lesson to always unravel your rope. Always. From here. One more.
One more, and then you pack it up. And get away from the rope.
Live and learn. fishing hook so far. You can see the bottom. Nothing.
All right. I'll take a photo for memories and then we pack it up.
Yeah.
The ocean is for pros. We go to a lake because I don't want him to die yet.
Not today.
Not today.
I think we must be the unluckiest magnet fishers in the world because we've fished in 3 different countries, haven't we? 3 different
Yes.
countries, and we haven't got anything yet. It's not the magnet. I know it's a very powerful one. There's nothing wrong with it. But I guess our selection
It's too
leaves something to be
clean.
desired. Yeah, maybe people literally just don't go fishing here. I thought fishermen would have some stuff falling in the river or in the ocean, but no. We'll pack it up and move on and see what happens next.
Go for a walk where it's safe, where people don't die.